In this lesson, we'll explore the sounds of English letters and how they are pronounced based on their position within words. Understanding these letter sounds is essential for clear and accurate communication in English.
The letter A in the beginning of word apple, in the middle of word pan, and in the end of word panda. Then B, ball, rabbit, cup. C, cat, bucket, disc.
Then D, dog, middle, bed. E, elephant, telephone, tree. F, fish, coffee, leaf.
G, guitar, suggest, bag. H, house, hole, fish. I, ink, finger, ski. J, jam, project, hudge.
And K, kid, bucket, milk. L, lion, toddler, goal. M, mango, summer, jam. N, nest, wonder, sun.
O, orange, money, go. P, pencil, happy, sleep. Q, queen, request, Iraq. R, rain, mirror, star. S, sun, message, bus. T, table, water, seat.
U in the beginning of word, for example, umbrella and uniform. U in the middle of word, computer and cut. U and end of word, menu.
V, van, gloves, love. W, water, down, window, X, X-ray, pixel, box. Y, yellow, cycle, happy. Z, zebra, gazelle, topaz.
That's it for today's lesson. I hope you'll found it useful and learned something new. If you'd like to see more lessons like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.